Back in December 2024, there was this desire to build an RC version of the legendary RX7, incorporating the characteristics of the real RX7 into an RC car. It should be lightweight, close to 50/50ths weight distribution, agile handling, and inspired by the Mimiya RX7. On the technical side, it should have high ground clearance to clear the road imperfections and have high-speed straight line stability, basically a street setup. This is the final test to validate the handling characteristics, runtime duration, overheating concerns of the ESC and motor, tire and grip degradation, drivetrain reliability, and ease of maintenance. This covers the upgrades that were needed to improve overall performance and reliability. This is the RX7 Street Spec. The RS 2.0 was chosen because of its features and value for money. The kit has equal-length drive belts, short shocks, and CVDs. Our 12S Power HD servo is used for steering. Sanwa FH4 receiver is utilized. Quickren 10.5 motor is used for a balance of speed and efficiency. This is the new Quickren 10B L60 Generation 2, which have boost and turbo timing. This ESC fits perfectly on the chassis. Then, a DFX high-voltage, high-capacity lithium polymer battery is used. Tamiya RX7 body is used for realism, painted in Tamiya light blue spray paint. Gunmetal paint is used for the front splitter and rear wing. Body posts were trimmed close to the body as well. Tamiya reinforced 18-spoke wheel with zero offset is used, wrapped in Tamiya reinforced belted race tires with medium foam inserts. These tires are a little dangerous to use on the street because of inconsistent grip levels, although they seem to be durable. Four-millimeter Tamiya aluminum clamping hex hubs is an essential upgrade. They are also shimmed to have minimal axle play. TRF short dampers are installed on for corners and uses steel pivot balls to have consistent handling and increased ride height. To make this kit a little special, the aluminum motor mount was smoothed out and polished together with the motor's end bell. Wirings are carefully thawed out as well. Now it is easier to clean and maintain. Chassis protector is also installed to make the chassis resistant to scratches. Fully loaded, it weighs in at 15-20 grams. Titanium screws and lighter motor can reduce the weight further. The RX7 is lighter than the Camaro, and the Project are 32 by 100 grams, which will result to better handling. Weight distribution is 49% front and 51% rear. Very close to the real-life RX7 at 50/50ths split. The RX7 Street Spec has neutral handling. Left and right transitions are controllable. You can really tell and feel that it is lighter and agile. Power slides and drifts are a joy to execute on tiled surfaces. Since it is belt-driven, it runs quiet and has this smooth driving feel. No more adjustments needed in the handling setup. Runtime was 2 hours from a fully charged DFX 8000 mAh battery with no overheating of electronics and motor. One of the downsides is the body. Lowering the car further will cause more damage to the front splitter. It will not last long on street environment. With the current ride height, there are already multiple scratches on the splitter. During testing, there were instances where it scraped the road and some small rocks hitting it. Another concern is the exposed drivetrain. Time will tell how long will the gears, pulleys, and belts last. Even with extensive cleaning after every running session, it's not a guarantee that the drivetrain will last on the same level as cars with enclosed gears. Lastly, the installed Tamiya belted tires were at times unpredictable and inconsistent. They will be replaced by Sorex racing tires. This is typically what it looks like after every 2-hour session. It will take more time to clean the vehicle. Inspection on the drivetrain is also needed to make sure it runs at optimum level. A close visual check is needed to catch large debris stuck in the drivetrain. This fine dust is what will increase the wear and tear of the moving parts. Surprisingly, there are no signs of damage on the drivetrain even after long periods of running the vehicle. More time and new cleaning methods are needed to clean this chassis. Compressed air is very effective in displacing the fine dust, especially in hard-to-reach areas of the chassis. Then, a detailing brush is used for removing persistent dirt and grime. Cleaning the belt drive is essential to increase their lifespan. A wet rag is used to remove stuck dirt from the belt's teeth. Finally, a detailed cleaning using paper towel. This is used in cleaning the TRF shock shafts. Acceleration and top speed is currently not impressive. This is because of the short gear ratio and turbo delay setting. The tires does not inspire confidence as well. The Quikrun 60 amp G2 ESC is easier to set up. It now has a dedicated port for plugging the program box through the ESC fan port. This program card will not work for this ESC unless it is updated to the latest firmware. Once connected, just power up the ESC, wait for it to load, and scroll to turbo delay setting. Turbo delay is now at the shortest setting. This will help the vehicle accelerate better and provide higher top speed. New Sorex tires needs to be installed first before we can test again for acceleration and top speed. The RX7 RC Build is a success and now added to the collection. It will be driven and enjoyed in the coming years.